How to change your Microsoft's email address. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your email address on Microsoft account. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and search for Microsoft.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right and then head over to My Microsoft account. And then you'll be taken directly to your account center. So on the left side of your screen, you'll have different options. You just need to head over to Your Info, where you have all of your information entered and that's connected to your account. Scroll down all the way until you find your account info. Now click on Edit Account Info. After doing so, you'll be taken to a different page where you can see your account alias. So here you will see your primary alias. So I only have my Outlook account as my primary alias. So what you're going to have to do is add email right here. So if you want to create a new one for your Microsoft account, you can do that. Or if you want to add existing email, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email account right here and then hit Add Alias. And after doing this, Microsoft will send you an email to this account. And now you could just verify your account like here to make it your primary email. So go ahead and verify your account by clicking right here and send an email to your alias account. So I'm just going to go ahead and open my Gmail app right here to see if I've gotten an email from Microsoft. So here, as you can see, I have an option to confirm my email address. So if you have added this email address as an alias, you can use this link to verify. And if you didn't make this request, you can use this link to cancel. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link to verify that I have added this email as an alias. So from here, you have verified your account successfully. Now you can use this as your primary email. So from here, you can just click on yes, and you can use your other email as your primary alias. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.